Hello student, in this video I will discuss mathematical definition of probability, sure event and impossible events. Now first is, what is mathematical definition of probability? If in a random experiment the total number of event or outcomes are n, out of which m events or outcomes are favorable to a particular event E, then the probability of happening of event E is denoted by PE and defined as PE means probability of happening of event E is equal to number of favorable outcomes to E upon total number of all possible outcomes is equal to m upon n, where n is total number of possible outcomes and m is favorable outcomes in n, which is the formula of probability. Example: tossing a dice once, then sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is represent as capital S. Then NS means number of element in sample space, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NS equal to 6. And event क्या है यहाँ पर? Event is equal to getting even number on the upper face of dice. Even number क्या है? 2, 4, 6. तो event क्या हो जाएगा? E equal to 2, 4, 6. Then NE means क्या होगा? Number of element in E, which are 3. 1, 2, 3. So NE is equal to 3. Then probability of PE is equal to probability of getting even number is equal to 3 upon 6, where 3 is favorable outcomes and 6 is total number of outcomes, which is also written as PE is equal to NE upon NS, where NE is 3 and NS is equal to 6. 3 upon 6 equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Let us take other example. Tossing a coin, then sample space S equal to H and T, and E is equal to event of getting head. Then NS यानी कि number of element in sample space, which are 2. There are 2 element in sample space, H and T. So NS equal to 2. And E, event of getting head यहाँ पर होगा कैपिटल H. Then NE यानी कि number of element in E, which are 1. Then probability of event यानी कि probability of getting a head is equal to NE upon NS equal to 1 by 2 is the answer, where NE is the favorable outcomes and NS is total number of outcomes. Now I am talking about impossible event. What is impossible event? If the probability of an event is equal to 0, then event is called an impossible event. इसको एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे हम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in a single throw of a dice find the probability of getting 7 in a single throw of dice, then sample space is s equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and E क्या है यहाँ पर, इवेंट गेटिंग 7 ऑन द अपर फेस ऑफ डाइस, जबकि डाइस में 1 2 3 4 5 6 नंबर होते हैं फेस पर, 7 होगा ही नहीं, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, द नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड यहाँ पर NS क्या होगा, NS equal to 6. Now probability of getting a number 7 is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. favorable outcomes क्या हैं, 0. इसको हम NE भी लिख सकते हैं, number of element in E which is 0. so number of favorable outcomes होगा 0 and total number of outcomes 6, then equal to 0, which is the example of impossible event. Now third point is sure event. Sure event is also called certain event. If the probability of an event is equal to 1, then the event is called a certain event or sure event. For example, in a single throw of a die, find the probability of getting a number less than 7. ये probability हमें बतानी है जो कि getting a number less than 7, 7 से कम हो, यानी कि 7 से कम नंबर, यानी कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 जो 7 से कम होंगे. In a single throw of dice, the sample space is S equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, then NS यानी कि number of element in sample space या total number of outcomes which is 6. number of favorable outcomes which is also 6. Let E be any event, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 which are the number less than 7. so NE यानी कि number of element in event या number of favorable outcomes is equal to 6. both are equivalent. so the probability of getting a number less than 7 is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं NE इस तरह से, NE upon NS is equal to 6 upon 6 equal to 1. इसकी probability 1 होगी, उसको हम sure event बोलेंगे या certain event. Note: probability of any event can never be less than 0 or more than 1. यानी कि probability 0 से कम नहीं हो सकती, इक्वल टू हो सकती है, और 1 से ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकती. दिस इज probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. Thank you.